The next lesson is going to help us factor trinomials. So, how we use the x factor is we want a number that will multiply to 9 but add to -6. And when we find those two numbers, you put them here and here. So the easiest way to do that is make a table. So what multiplies to 9 and adds to -6. So what you want to do is list every possibility that makes positive 9. So remember, to make a positive number when you multiply, you can have a positive and a positive, or a negative and a negative. Okay? So both of these give you a positive 9. You can also have 3 times 3 or a -3 times -3. I think those are all our possibilities. So now what we want to do is check in this column to see if they add to -6. So if I add the two numbers that I found, obviously this gives me 10, and that is not -6. -1 plus -9 is -10. That is not going to help us. 3 plus 3 is 6. That's kind of getting us somewhere. And -3 plus -3 is -6. So that is the two numbers we want. We want -3 and -3. Okay? So, I would show another example. 6 and -5. So again, let's make all of our possibilities for positive 6. I have 1 times 6, -1 times -6, 2 times 3, and -2 times -3. So if I add those numbers, which one will give me -5? Not that one. -6 and -1 will give me -7. That's not helping me. 2 plus 3 is 5, and -2 plus -3 is -5. So -2 and -3 are the two values I want. Okay? So, how about you try -30 and -13. Pause it and try it. So I'm going to go ahead and make my table. So 1 times 30, one number has to be negative. I also want to account for the opposite, where I make the 30 negative. I have 2 times -15 and -2 times 15. I have 3 and -10, and I have -3 and +10. I'm going to check these because I think I'm getting close. -1 plus 30 is 29. 1 plus -30 is -29. 2 plus -15, I can stop right there because there's my -13. So I want 2 and a -15.